Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Johnson. I wanted to make a really quick video to show you a nice little trick for our Google Meets. And our Google Meets are basically our video chats that your teachers usually host once a week just to check in, hang out, see if you guys need any help on anything. So usually in those chats, the only person you can see is the person that's talking. So if your teacher was talking but you wanted to see some of your classmates, you wouldn't be able to see that because their videos would be over to the side and they'd be little tiny squares on the side. So I'm going to show you a way to change that view into grid view so that you can see everybody at once. You can see everyone whether they're talking or not. So the first step is to make sure that you have Google Chrome as your browser. If you don't have Google Chrome, you're going to need to open whatever browser you use and just Google search Google Chrome download and follow the steps to download it. If you're on a student's Chromebook or one of the devices given from the school that is a Chromebook, you will automatically have Google Chrome because that's the only browser that will run on that because it is a Google product. So open your Google Chrome and I'm going to search on Google here. I'm going to say Grid View Extension. And it's this first one. You should pop right on the first one. Google Meet Grid View. I'm going to click the button that says Add to Chrome, and I'm going to say yes. I want to add the extension. It's going to download right up here in the corner. This little button doesn't really mean anything. I'll show you how to use it in Google Meets. Okay, so now I'm going to pause my video. I'm actually going to pull up a Google Meets to show you what it looks like after you add this extension. All right, so I've opened a Google Meet with 5 of me. And as you can see all of my videos at once. It's this button right here that will pop up in your next Google Meet if you download this beforehand. This next button, you have options to only show people who have videos. So if someone shut their video off, you could choose to hide their little box and you would just see the people with videos. You can highlight the speakers. So when somebody's talking, it would glow up their box green around their face. I'm not going to do it because obviously all of my people are talking. You can decide to include yourself in the grid or not. You can add yourself back in, take yourself back out. And this enable grid view by default just means every time you hop on to Google Meets that it will always have this grid view on. So very confusing, yes. Please go ahead and try to download this for your next Google Meets. If you have any questions, comment below or get a hold of one of your teachers and we'll help you get this installed. Thanks, guys.